Okay, so I usually don't do no BS like this, but I think this warrants it. This is the flip phone. Let's check it out. Shit, I haven't even like seen this in real life. I'm looking at it through the phone. Yo. I'm really excited about this, guys. This brings me back to when my mom had a BlackBerry and I would play with it and I don't know, just mess with it and just teach myself about phones. I don't even want to do it yet. I'm scared. I'm just gonna turn it on before I know that's probably what you guys are watching this for, to see the flip. If you're even watching it. I'm gonna do it. Yo, what is this? It's real. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Let's try it. Oh shit. Welcome. Insert a SIM card. Oh yeah, I have to set it up, but you see it. That's it. Just wanted to show you something. Something there. It's a normal Samsung. It's like a S21. It just bends. This is cool. Okay. Peace out.